comes to wealth creation, you make, you manage, and you multiply. So you must know how to make money.
Yes.
And to know how to make money, you must also know how not to make money. Yeah, because if you make money in the wrong way, you're going to end up losing it. So how not to make money? You don't make money by stealing. You don't make money by begging. You don't make money by fraud. You don't make money by marriage. To say I want to marry into money.
We don't talk enough about this thing.
You don't make money into marriage because I always tell people, you know, a lot of women unfortunately sometimes don't take their financial life serious. They just think once I've married a rich man. But see, wealth is not sexually transmitted. So that you are married to a rich man does not make you a rich woman. That's why a lot of people, by the time their spouse now dies or does not have a job anymore or crisis happens, they get into trouble and their children suffer.
So your money is your money. Your money is not our money.
You say your money is our money, my money is my money, all this kind of stuff. Yes, when you come into a marriage relationship, the two has become one. And that two becoming one is joint knowledge, joint decision, joint planning. Not necessarily joint account if it doesn't work for you. Because you need to know what works for you. So it's joint knowledge. I must know what you have, you must know what I have. There shouldn't be any secret anywhere. Then there should also be joint planning. And joint decision making. I believe very strongly that once people understand that making money is the first level, but you need to know how not to make money. Which is some of the things I've said, including don't wait for inheritance. So you want your father to die before you make money and all this stuff. Any money you did not work for, any money you didn't work for, you don't have the wisdom to manage it. And if you go online now, you find out that many lottery winners, within the first 12 months to 24 months, the money is gone. Because you grow. So if you jump up, you will come down. If you grow up, you will stay up.
Any money you didn't work
Any money you did not work for, you don't have the wisdom
to manage it. I agree.
You understand? That's why when I tell people, no matter what, let your spouse, your wife work. When the woman is not working to earn money, she won't know how difficult it is to get money. So when she says, I need this, you give her 100,000, I still need 100,000. Have you gathered 100,000 yourself? Your own labor has equal to 100,000. So sometimes, and unfortunately, people don't discuss this thing because it's a tough issue in marriage. And when we talk about marriage, the things that cause, because apart from my major stuff is relationship, finance, and leadership. So that's my three major areas. And when we talk about marriage, a lot of people don't realize that the top three causes of marital problem is communication, sex, and money. And people don't want to talk about that money issue.
It's a difficult one.
You don't want to talk about that money issue because the way a lady's mind works is different from the way a man's mind works. And when we come into a relationship and we understand that, look, I love you, I'm ready to do everything for you, but let's face reality. And that's why I tell men, always make sure you put food discussion. Let your wife know this is all we have, so that you will know whether you have a wife or a knife.
A knife.
Because if my wife knows my salary is 750, I didn't hide this my payslip, and you are asking me for bone straight, you are asking me to change your car, then I begin to ask, you know you're bone straight, your destiny no straight. You want bank and shoe to match, whereas your destiny is not matching your bank account. You have only two legs. You want to buy shoes like I not to buy. I love shoes. If you love shoes, buy shoes, produce shoes, manufacture shoes, sell shoes, market shoes, design shoes. So if a man is earning 750 and you are asking him to buy a brand new car, then you are a thief or you are a criminal. There are two ways to make money. You either do it Babylon way or covenant way. Now you are either in the secret court or you are in the secret place. It's your choice. You can't be in between. You can't be. That's why I say love you. That's why I say religion is killing people. You see, people are so religious, but they are not even in the secret place. You are not in secret court.
We're in the free place.
Secret place. You are absent, and you are wondering. People don't know that money is spiritual. Money is a spirit. Money has a soul. Money lives in the body. That currency in your hand is not money. That's ordinary paper. It's legal tender. If you change it today, it ceases to be money. So that's the body of money. The spirit of money is mama. The soul of money is the value that money has in the marketplace. So that's why one currency will be higher than the other currency in the marketplace, depending on your relationship with money. So many people don't realize that if you are going to become wealthy, you have to choose your track. There is nobody on earth that can succeed without giving. Choose here, there is Sadat, whatever you do, all kinds of. They do have their own stuff that you have to give, you have to make up investment. So there are a lot of subjects. Nobody can ever become rich without giving.